The 2020 road construction season is underway. Throughout the spring and summer, crews will be making improvements to Shakopee streets, maybe even in your neighborhood. Here's a look at some of the types of projects you could see in your area. Street and utility reconstruction. Street and utility reconstruction is often the most disruptive type of project, requiring complete removal of pavement, replacement of sewer and water lines, and new road construction. When completed, these projects provide residents and businesses with improved roadways and utility systems. In 2020, you'll see this work near the Riverfront Bluffs development in downtown Shakopee. This project will last for about 2 years, with infrastructure reconstruction taking place this summer and road reconstruction next summer. Full-depth reconstruction. As roads age, they often need additional repair. In a full-depth reconstruction project, crews will remove the asphalt and reincorporate it with new asphalt. Crews also make spot repairs to curb and gutters and bring pedestrian ramps up to ADA compliance. These projects typically call for temporary street closures in the work zone. There are 5 areas in the city that will see full-depth reconstruction projects: on Park Ridge Drive, Saracen Street, Montecito Drive, the Dominion Hills neighborhood, and the Westridge Lake Estates neighborhood. Bituminous overlay. In bituminous overlay projects, crews mill the existing pavement and overlay a new bituminous asphalt surface. Crews also patch, seal cracks, and upgrade pedestrian ramps. These projects usually have short, temporary road closures with no overnight parking. There are 9 areas across Shakopee that will require overlay projects this summer. Pavement rehabilitation. One tool the city uses to extend the life of pavement is a pavement rehabilitation. Streets receive crack repair, bituminous patching, and a chip seal coat. These projects typically require short closures. In 2020, Jennifer Lane and Southbridge Parkway will undergo pavement rehabilitation projects. Pavement maintenance. The most common road work each spring is crack sealing and seal coating. Crack sealing helps extend pavement life by filling surface cracks with rubber. One-ply toilet paper is often applied over the rubber as it cools. This can be a messy operation. Please watch for no parking signs. Seal coating applies a thin layer of heated oil and small rock to provide an extra barrier of protection to the pavement surface. While crews work quickly, this can be a messy and dusty operation, with excess rock along curbs and in yards. Crack sealing and seal coating happen throughout the city. Visit our website for a map of impacted streets. These are just a few of the projects that you can expect to see in Shakopee this year. You can learn more about these projects and other future projects by heading to shakopeemn.gov/current projects. There you can find information about closures, detours, and what projects are coming to your neighborhood.